It's a beautiful summer morning, and we're heading up the Adriatic Sea towards Dubrovnik in Croatia. Now just imagine you're here with us. Meanwhile, we have breakfast and prepare for a great day. We're sitting in the stern of the ship, full English breakfast. Egg, bacon, sausage, mushrooms, tomato, ham, but no kippers. But toast, juice, and illy coffee with cream. Followed by another coffee that we picked up in the coffee port that we will enjoy on the stern.
Sitting on the back of the boat and having a cup of coffee and watching the beautiful view off the deck.
Every now and then, like right now, as I watch the world go by, I get that good to be alive feeling. I love it. I try to replicate it for all who get to appreciate my films. Then putting on top of the world, though a little windy, make that very windy. There are times in the Med that we get beautiful sunshine, warm weather, and a cool breeze that is delightful. Well, sometimes the breeze is very breezy, so to speak. That's why the pools on a ship are relatively sheltered. The putting green happens to be just about the highest level on the ship. What's happening now, you might ask? Well, we're arriving in Dubrovnik, which is just east out of the picture, as we pass the lighthouse. Many people have come up to see the arrival. The coast here reminded me of Kotor in Montenegro. The port of Dubrovnik is west of the city. Brings back memories of my very first cruise with my sister and Rachel, when this is where we joined the ship. Croatia has to be one of my favorite destinations in the Med. They have some really beautiful cities and many quiet destinations that are a delight to visit. Even before we disembarked, we're welcomed by a couple of dolphins swimming in the bay. Majestic creatures. Half the passengers are watching the dolphins play. The other half are watching as we enter the dock. Under the expert supervision of the captain, believe it or not, this is the view we get from the back of the ship, even after we're docked. Now it's time to explore the historic city of Dubrovnik. I can assure you, you're in for a wonderful treat today. From memorable scenes of Game of Thrones, such as the King's Landing, to a walk around ancient walls that have protected the city over the centuries. Come with me and enjoy it.